When we make a document in Microsoft Word, it can be edited by other persons easily. Example, this is my biodata. Select it and press delete. Yes, so delete it. If you want to block editing this documents, you should set protections of this file. For that, go to Review tab and click Protect options and click Restrict editings. Put a tick marks in this second option, editing restrictions, and click Start enforcing protections and keep your passwords. I want to keep now 22. Again press 22 and then click OK. Close it and save your file. Now close it and open your file. It's fully protect my documents. Edit these files, you have to unprotect. For that, go to same locations, go to review menu and click protect and click again restrict editing and now click stop protections and press your passwords. My password is 22 and press OK, and now this file can edit and select it. Press delete. One more tips for you. If you want to block editing, copy paste everything of your documents, you follow this step. Go to protect and click restrict and editings and then click edit restrictions. Click this down arrow of these options, no change, read only options, and then choose filling in form and then click yes, start enforcing protections and keep a password. Now I want to keep password 44. Again type here again 44 and then click OK. Close it this options and then save your file. Go to save and go to file and click the saves. Yes, done. Now this file copy paste editing everything has blocked. You can see here it's not possible for this copy and paste. This way we can protect our file